Hey baby. Oh my god, I am so happy right now. Like you don't understand. Guys, I did something today. Guys, like I just came back from Jamaica and all these things, but I did something today. Oh my god, I can't wait to share the news with you guys. Like I really can't. I'm so happy right now. I didn't expect like this to happen, but like oh my god. Guess what guys? I got a new car. New car, fam. Like everybody who knows me know that my car was giving me a whole bunch of problems. Like I was fixing it, all these things, putting a whole bunch of money into it. Man, it finally died on me. And I finally had to make a decision and say, you know what? It's time for a new car. It's time to start 2021 the correct way, fam. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm at the dealership. I'm just waiting for everything to be finished. My car went to go get detailed and all that. Like, oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, I could cry. And there's only one person like I could think, and it's God. Like, only God has heard my prayers. Like, only Him like noticed that I've been crying at night because like I can't do this. Like, not having a reliable car. Like, oh my god, like I can't thank him enough. Like I am beyond excited. I'm telling you that right now. I'm so excited.
Oh guys, all right, so I gotta give you guys a car tour right about now. I'm telling y'all, I'm souped. Like I got it from the dealer like a little bit before 1, but I've been doing some crazy stuff, so like I gotta show y'all everything that's up with the car and all that. I don't want to show y'all the interior. I'll show you the exterior. But guys, that's my new blue baby. Like my blueberry. That's what I'm gonna call her. Blueberry muffin. So let me take this off. So basically, I just like transferred my head wraps from my Saturn to my seats in here, and I'm telling you, everything is nice. Like I'm so happy. Like I'm telling you, like right now I still can't believe like I came home with a whole new car. But you know, things happen. All right guys, so this is my steering wheel. It's a nice steering wheel. I took my cover from off my Saturn. I might get a new cover overall, but like I could turn up the volume here. I could change the song. I could either call or end the call or whatever. And like I want to hear how the horn sounds. Oh, the horn sounds great. And then I have a touch screen. It's connected to my iPhone. And then like I have my hazard. I got my heat control, my AC control, my shifter. I have drive mode. Either I could go in eco or sports mode or whatever. I'm sorry, I was about to read the manual to find some stuff because I want to set up the car to my preferences. It is a good deal. Like it's a nice space. It's spacious. Like I'm in love with it and all of that. Like, oh my god, you don't understand. And then like you got this nice, I don't even know what to call this, but it's a nice smooth leather, I guess. And then like it got detailed before I got it, so you see the wheels are still like shining and all of this. I just put gas in it. No. But so far, I'm loving the car. I only had it a couple hours, and man, I'm telling you, this car is a go. It is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and I'm telling you, they really did their thing at Pine Belt Imports. That's really my dealership. Like, thanks to Mark. He really made this happen for me. Both Marks, sales manager and the salesperson, they did me. It's still like, all right, like I'm just about to stay in here and figure out how to set up my car to my likings. And like, yeah, like, man, today's been a really hectic day. I'm really tired, but like, you know, I'm just speechless because like I don't know what to say. Like I didn't go to the dealership expecting to come home with anything, but you know, like I'm really excited that I ended up going, overcoming my fear and coming home with a new baby.
Guys, meet my baby. Meet Blueberry. Like, as you can see from the photos, it is lit. She's blue. Like, see me enjoying my car and all these things. Like, oh my God, my interior, my exterior, my radios, all of that. Like, oh my God, I'm like really in love with my Hyundai or Hyundai, however the frig you pronounce it. Like, look at my steering wheel cover. Like, oh, nah, because I was smooth feeling the song. I was really going in. Like, nah, this ain't it. Like, pre the face, pre the pre the hand movements. No, sir. This not normal. I tell you, bro. Like, what song was this? Who knows? So guys, what you guys are about to see, you guys are about to see me go crazy in this car. Like, I dead love this car to the max. Like, I ain't even have it that long and I'm in love. Like, it's dead, my baby. My blueberry. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and run my comments up. You feel me? Bye, babies.